Post business, advocate law.
Waiting for signature.
Sometimes
If you did, but
post business now, CI. I have
Betul. Good report.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 7, lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion, this honorable court has directed to bless the report, the judgment and order of the writ appeal, lordship. Lordship, however, some of the writ appeal is not traceable. So if lordship may please to grant a few days, lordship, so that I
Mr. Cook.
Yes, Lordship, that is the direction of this court. That is the case.
I hope you will get it by the next date fixed.
lordship, I'll
Okay.
make an endeavor, lordship,
We will fix it on Tuesday as the first hearing item.
lordship.
What is Tuesday again? 10, nah?
It will be done, yes.
On the prayer of Mr. Vijmomi, learned government advocate, listed again on 10 as the first hearing item. The case shall remain ordered. Okay,
Like,
make it sure,
Lordship.
make it sure.
Lordship.
Okay,
May I please, your lordship?
yes,
Lordship, I beg to make a mention for one WPC 187 of 2024, lordship. Lordship, here, it's not listed today, lordship. I'm making submitted mention memo, lordship. Lordship, here, there's an urgency, lordship.
what is that urgency?
Lordship, here the petitioners are challenging the special drive recruitment. The petitioners are the doctors who were appointed during the COVID. And lordship, the state respondent has issued a advertisement for the special recruitment drive, lordship.
Yes.
And as per the last order, lordship, here it was supposed to be listed today. However, the same has not been
Is
listed.
there a stay in your favor?
Oh, no, lordship, that is why.
No stay.
No, lordship.
Okay,
So if it can come up on Monday, lordship.
okay,
Much obliged, lordship.
okay. Monday.
for admission, item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Younger.
Worship, I have already served copies to the private respondents.
So you have filed your affidavit?
Yes, yes.
No one is for the petitioner.
Petitioner is on visit.
Oh. Yes. Yes, what is your case? Something wrong?
I think it's from the end. Maybe he's still on silent mode.
Please unmute. Please unmute. If you are muted. This is the problem with this thing. We don't have facilities like the mainstream cities.
You know,
Mr. Murray. Mr. Murray.
You can't hear us. You are not audible. I can only see you moving your lips. Can we list it again on Monday?
no,
List it again on Monday.
For admission, item number 2.
Yes.
Your Lordship,
Ma'am.
I have received the signed affidavits. I will be filing it during the course of the day, Your Lordship.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yes, Lordship.
MS, yeah, me, the learned government advocate submits that The affidavit on behalf of the state respondents will be filed in the course of the day. Have you received the copy?
I will serve them later. Your
Okay,
Lordship.
okay. Listed after? 2 weeks.
Oh, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. In the meantime, you can file your reply affidavit if so advised.
Yes,
Okay,
Lordship.
okay.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Much obliged.
For admission, item numbers 3 and 4.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I have received a copy of it from the state respondent.
in
this
both,
morning. Lordship,
this 210 and 211,
Lordship.
in both you have filed, Mr. Kiangami?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my colleague, MS Mare.
Okay. So whether affidavit has been filed, yes, affidavit.
Lordship, on the last occasion, this honorable court is given.
Just wait, let me see. Yes, in both the case, affidavit has been filed. Correct.
Lordship,
What is your prayer affidavit? in
Lordship,
reply?
the things are completed, that the matter be listed after 2 weeks for an admission hearing.
Okay. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed and the matter can be listed for hearing. Listed for hearing in the usual course, okay? For admission.
Item number 5.
May it please your worship,
Yes, Mr.
I've
LT.
sent for waiting.
Okay.
So may I pray that 2 weeks time may be granted.
What is your case?
It's regarding payment of
Post-
family pension to the
Posthumous
petitioner.
regularization of the petition.
Posthumous regularization.
Yes, my lord.
Posthumous regularization is pending before the Supreme Court.
Yes.
Lordship, that case is already dismissed. Which you are dealing. That Nishivi case is already dismissed. Lordship.
No, not Nishevi case. Again, recently, there was a conflicting judgment between a 2 division bench. One division bench said, okay. The other division bench said, no. So I think the state has appealed before the Honorable Supreme Court. So I think all these cases, Mr. LT, I think
Yes,
all this,
my lord.
Mr. Nangami,
Yes, my lord.
all these cases, I think we will have to await the decision of the
Yes,
Honorable
my lord.
Supreme Court.
Yes,
That is
my
what this retrospective regularization.
Yes, my lord.
Correct, you are seeking pensionary benefits after your services are retrospectively regularized.
Yes, Lordship.
Correct.
Yes, Lordship.
So all these issues, I think this is pending. Anyhow, let us just examine the affidavit also.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. LT Sanctum. Then the additional AG submits that affidavit on behalf of the state respondent has been sent for waiting. And he would, and he will require 2 weeks, 3 weeks time to file the same.
Lordship, last chance may be given.
No, prayer, prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Last chance, Supreme Court, Supreme Court, the matter is pending before Supreme Court, so last chance may be futile. Okay.
Much.
Okay, Lordship.
For orders, item number 6.
Yes,
May I please, Your Lordship,
eh,
in complying with the order dated 9/7/2024, I have taken first steps
What
on
is-
respondent,
what is that order 5/7?
no, 9/7/2024.
9/7.
Yes, Your Honor.
For service of notice upon the said respondent. Also the respondent 4, 5, 6, 7. Who are the respondent 4, 5, 6, 7? Mr. Zatin Gule,
Yes, my lord.
will you accept notice on behalf of 4, 5, 6, 7?
No, my lord.
No.
Yes.
Why?
Because they have mentioned their particular names. So that I'd like to explain.
They are serving under you.
Yes, but with regard to respondent 1 to 3, I have filed my counter.
What is your case? Whether actually you have any very serious grievances against 4, 5, 6, and 7? 4, 5,
Yes,
6,
my lord.
7. What is your grievances against 4, 5, 6, and 7?
I was given a low rating in my annual performance, annual report.
Okay, by this 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, my lord. And they have also given me a wrong treatment. So I'm not
They are
suffering.
serving under? They are
Uh,
serving under?
They are serving under respondent number
Whether 2 or 3?
2, my lord.
Mr. Mule, I think you can take. We give a direction to let the notice be served on 4, 5, 6, and 7 through respondent number 2. Let them furnish the requisite copies.
My lord,
Because actually, since this is to do with grading, which is given by these officers, I think without their participation in the case, it may not be proper for this court to proceed.
yes, my lord.
They are
that's what it
serving
is.
under you. They are serving under you. So I think you can serve the notice to this 4, 5, 6, and 7.
My lord, some of them were the transferred to some other places. That one is southern command, and some are northern command, something like that. So,
Then can
so
you
that
bring
is-
can you bring the address on the next date at least? Can you bring because actually the counsel for the petitioner has taken steps, but no representation.
Actually, my clients are stating that they have given the address of their other respondents.
Have-
But
have-
whether, he has taken a step or not.
Yes, my lord. After serving notice,
No, have you been given the address where they are now posted?
my lord, after taking fresh steps, the main counsel who is stationed in Shillong, he received the address of the other respondents.
So
Four,
you have received
6,
the
and
address.
7.
So where is the address?
On 5.2, I have with me now, but respondent 4, 6, and 7, I did not bring up.
I'm not getting you. Do you have the proper address of 4, 5, 6, 7 as stated by Mr. Zatan Mule? He has stated that it has been furnished to you.
Yes, I have, my lord.
You have?
Yes, but after
Then-
I took a fresh steps, I got the
Then
address.
you file an application for amending the course title. Unless that is done, how is it possible? We thought that actually you were not having possession of the address of 4, 5, 6, and 7, but the address is with you. You are trying to shift something on the court, see. You have the proper address of 4, 5, 6, and 7, correct?
Yes, my lord, recently I got.
Then you file an application. Who has furnished you?
The main counsel in Shillong, he acquired it from the DGAR,
Who is the main counsel?
Bizoy.
Whether his name is reflected in the course list?
Yes, my lord, yes, my lord.
His name is reflected.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Pakin Richabo. Correct?
Yes, my lord.
Your name is very difficult to pronounce. Once I can pronounce, I will never forget. Mr. Pakin Richabo. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has been furnished the proper and the present address of the respondent number 4, 5, 6, and 7 by the leading counsel, Mr. Vijay Dev,
Yes, yes.
who is an outstation lawyer. Stop. If that be so, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall file an application seeking for amendment of the course title. Giving the proper address of the respondent number 4, 5, 6, and 7, listed after 2 weeks. Okay, you have the address now, so you file an application to amend the course title, you give the correct address. Okay, because as per your submission, you are saying that actually 4, 5, 6, and 7. These are the main respondents who have given you the adverse gradings.
Yes, my lord.
Correct?
Yes, my lord.
So you file an application. Okay?
Yes, my lord. Philbrick.
Yes.
May I be before Rashid?
Elements are listed on Monday. Okay. We have listed your case on, actually there was some disturbance. Okay. Okay.
Obligement.